This could be the difference between the 75 and 95 in maths. Save this video and let's start with 100 questions every topper solves. Question number 81. Using basic proportionality theorem, prove that a line drawn through the midpoints of one side of a triangle parallel to the other side bisect the other side. So look at the diagram. What is given to you? That AD is equal to DB. D is the midpoint of AB. Second thing, DE is parallel to BC. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that E is also midpoint of AC, which means AE is equal to EC, right? So let's start. What is given to you? AD is equal to DB. If you divide both the sides with DB, you will get AD upon BD is equal to 1. Let's call it equation number 1. Now in the triangle ABC, if you apply the basic proportionality theorem, what we can write? That DE is parallel to BC, so DE will divide AB and AC in the same ratio, which means AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. But we know that from equation number 1 that AD upon BD is 1. So left hand side is 1, which means AE upon EC is also 1. And if you transfer EC to the right hand side, you will get AE is equal to EC. Hence proved.